welcome back to Cedar Valley Fishing Field Stream or Field Team, COAF Field Team on YouTube. And today we're doing a live stream. Cooler temperatures. We're over here at the Sonic Pond. Got the Scorpion BFS XG along with a Guggen Squad micro series type lure. It's a crankbait running about 1 to 3 feet is what it's saying. And well, it's cooler temperatures, so I don't know what it's going to be like. But hey, it's a nice break from what it has been. And for the rod, it's going to go with this lightning rod that I've had for years, just because, well, I felt like doing something different. Nothing yet. Let's see what we got over here. I'm doing a slow retrieve, just making sure I get that wobble that I'm looking for. It's a square bill crankbait. Oh, there's a hit. Ah, that was a hit. I don't know what it was. Maybe a little bluegill and whatnot, but I think that slow retrieve is what's going to be key. I think it may have been just a bluegill. But hey, we're out fishing. That's all that really matters at this point. All right. And yeah, I've been posting a bunch of videos related to some of the... Oh, there's a hit. Oh, man. He was right there. Oh, man. That was a hit. 3 strikes, and I'm out right now. Okay. See, turtle. Oh, there we go. There we go. Another close shot. This one hit, 2 foot from the bank. All right, first fish of the day. BFS style, Scorpion FG, BFS XG, a largemouth bass on this crankbait. Oh, there's a hit. There's a hit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah. Let's bring him in. Oh. He's going for the line. He's going for the line. Whew. There's a anchor line for the whatchamacallit, fountain. All right. Yeah, another close by strike. All right, another bass. So shallow running, and in this case, since I'm working the bank and the shallower section and getting strikes there, it probably makes sense to be using this. I did bring some other lures. Oh, there's a hit. All right, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. Come on. I don't have the drag set too tight on this because I am using 4-pound test. All right, let's get him in. I think he's gonna be the biggest one of the day here. Well, who knows? We're not done fishing yet. Oh yeah, Basilito, nice. Micro crankbait, fun stuff. A lot of folks will ask about what is bait finesse systems, what is BFS fishing, what is ultralight bait casting. They're basically all the same. They call it bait finesse systems because it's a system. It's got to match your rod with your line, with your lures and the reel. In this case, you got to have a bait caster that can handle light lures and be able to yank it out there. And for this one, I can cast lures that weigh about 1/16 ounce. I tried a trout magnet. That one you got to be really careful because you'll definitely backlash if you don't have it dialed in. But I tend to just stick with the 1/16 ounce as the lightest that I'll go, and that seems to nope, it seems to work for me. And they call it BFS, bait finesse systems. That's the initials. And then other folks will call it just ultralight bait casting because you are using a bait caster and using ultralights. Some will say, oh, why don't you just go and use a spinning rod, spinning reel? Well, you can, and maybe it's the same reason why I like fly fishing also, is there's a whole bunch of different ways to fish. I just want to do it with a fly rod, or in this case today I want to do it with a bait caster. I can cast light lures, because if it was all about catching the fish, well, oh, I just lost that one. Oh man, he was on there. All right, this section, it seemed like I sent it out deeper into the pond, but actually this section is shallow, maybe 1 to 3 feet. So going by the pattern that I've seen so far is the fish are staying shallow, even on this cool 50 degrees temperature day. Let's see if I can get one to strike from here to the end of the pond. So let's cross my fingers we don't strike out here. Yeah, had 2 definite strikes on this. Oh, there's a hit right there. Did not strike out. Oh, he's taking out some line. 4-pound test, light drag. So we're just working them up close. All right. Yeah, we did not strike out on this side of the pond. Nice. Okay. Well, yeah, stay tuned. I'll get a edited version from the live stream that cuts out the fluff and takes you to the action shots. And from an action shot, well, this one's going to be on there. Nice. All right, we're near the end. Let's just get the cast in. I'm going to go this way, and that way, and then we're going to call it quits. So here it goes this way. Oh, what? No, that doesn't count. That's not where I wanted it. Plus it's clobbered. Yeah, that didn't count. Do over. This is what used to frustrate my kids, is I would tell them one more cast and then I would do a do-over. All right, so there's number 1, and that did not get anything. It's clobbered, so I gotta go and take some junk off it. Cast number 2, I'm just gonna go straight out and see what happens. And then cast number 3, we'll take it up that way where we just came and see if something will hit over there. Steady retrieve, slow, get the jiggle, wiggle, and that's all I'm doing. I am getting a lot more junk on there, having to clear it. So let's go do our 3rd cast, and supposedly the final cast. So let's just see if something will strike. Okay, so technically this would be the last cast. All right, I'm gonna drag it in here and see if something will strike, and no. And then of course I'll just say one more and I'll yank it out there. And then by then my kids will be like in seizures, because I'll have said that probably about 10, 15 times. Yeah. So yeah, so I would say, yeah, that's the last cast, and then I would just go and crank it out again, just like I did here. And you know, yeah, they definitely be in seizures by now, going, what's up, Dad? I want to go. So I don't want to put you guys through that pain. Appreciate y'all joining me today, doing a live stream over here. Let's go fishing, cool temps. And here's the gear I used. This is the lure that we almost lost. And well, so far having fun. Do check back. I'll get the edited version of this out here in the next few days. Until then, I'm going to go ahead and sign us off from the live stream.